I got your money. Hey, hey, hey. Baby, I got your money. Don't you worry. I said, hey, baby, I got your money. Hey, hey, hey. Baby, I got your money. Don't you worry. I said, hey, baby, I got your money. Hey, hey, hey. Baby, I got your money. Don't you worry. I said, hey. All right. What's up, Grayson? Good morning, my man. Spy's looking good. I'm gonna share this link to the Discord real quick. Thank you for hanging out, my man. Glad to have you here, Grayson. I just gotta get this link. I gotta grab my water. I gotta grab Tesla's freaking out. I don't even know what to do. I can't. I'm gonna see my contract that I bought yesterday and made $205 off be worth like over $2,000. I just know it. That's how it's gonna be when the market opens. I'm like, which I should just hold my winners, but I don't know. I was like, damn, if this reverses and I have no control over it overnight, but I gotta let my winners run. Cause damn, that's insane. So Spy's looking good, getting into actually it's kind of dipping a little. It was looking really good. Now it's 330, 31. It was in like the 50s range this morning, which was looking really nice. Not looking bad. I think we're still going to be down in their contracts when the market opens, even though we're still up 60 cents from close. So we'll just have to check it out. Hey, 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 baby, I got your money. Don't you worry. Say, hey, baby, I got your money. Hey, hey, hey. Baby, I gotta get my water. Oh, there it is. I gotta fill my water before we like launch into the day so we can watch stuff. I'm getting excited, man. For the info. TSM and AMD looks like there's an uptrend. Usually takes a day or so for its head and shoulders pattern to grow. There's always a big dip. I just buy when it hits there. Dude, Skylar, I honestly might re-enter. I think we could see Tesla hit 2,000. I might make a play, but remember, if we make a play and it starts to reverse on us, we gotta protect ourselves so that we're not just throwing money into the trash can. I've done that one too many times. It's not fun to throw money right in the trash. Okay, so Home Depot's rising a little. I wonder what's pulling back. Because Apple's not doing too bad. I mean, it's not looking great right now. I mean, it's just consolidating. But I wonder what's holding Spy down. I think we're going to see some crazy runs today from just some random locations. Like AMD's now on my watch list. What's up, Lexus? Thanks for hanging out. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Skylar. I really don't think it's too late to hop on the Tesla train, but if you enter, you got to be careful. I like AMD here today. I'll let you guys know when I take a position. I'm not too married to it. I want to see how everything fluctuates because even FedEx is looking good. Good morning, Miguel. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for hanging out. Spy had a lot of steam, and it's not really steaming anymore. I mean, as long as we're above right here, I'm happy. The theta is going to hurt me a little bit. I think I'll be down about 100 because I have 4 contracts, and the delta is nice, but with 4 contracts and this not moving, see if this moves like 20 cents, I'll be up or I'll break even. And then if this hits like 338.60, I should be up 100. So I played big. I took a little leverage position, hoping that stuff runs this morning is the plan. What's up, Lynn? Good morning. What's up, Josh? Good morning. I saw you in the Discord this morning. You guys have been killing it. Docu would have been a nice swing. FedEx is looking healthier. So I have my eye on them, but they're slow mover. So I want to be patient. Same with Home Depot. They crushed their earnings, but their stock price still fell. Tesla's now under 1900 coming into open. I hope if Tesla goes down, I hope that money, it doesn't sit in cash. I hope people move it into other tech stocks, because tech's been consolidating for pretty much the whole month, at least a week. Facebook has not moved since August 10th, and today is the 18th. Yes. So let's be careful of that. The market opens in 3 minutes, so I'm gonna hurry up. I'm gonna go fill my water, and then I'll sit right back down so we can sit and hang out for a while and call some plays. If you guys sound good with that. Don't forget, bring a friend to the live stream, hit the like, all that stuff. I'm super pumped. I'll be right back. Oh, cool. All right, thank you guys. Yeah, I'm excited. Market opens in 2 minutes. Check the Discord one last time for market opens. We'll check a couple other things, and then we can let the trading commence. I'm excited. What's up, Blake? Thanks for hanging out, man. You need a big play for Apple, Brian. I feel that, man. I'm really hoping they take off today. That would push SPY so much. But remember, the first hour or so of the market can be pretty deceiving. So just keep your shoulders on, your head on your shoulders on. Keep your head on tight. What am I saying? Docu's up to 212.80, so they did good. They're on my watch list. The market's open now. FedEx is falling a little. So yeah, let's just watch stuff. I think Apple's going to have a decent morning. My SPY calls are pretty much at break even right now, like I expected. I think we're down a couple dollars per contract. What expected. Hopefully SPY climbs to 338.60, and then I can cash out, make some monies. But we'll see. It all depends on how Apple's mooning this morning, looking good. Pretty good play. DPST's looking good. SPY's in the 338.50s range, so that's good. Docu's 212.22. AMD's fallen, so we could look for entry later. But SPY's going to be hovering around 338.50 for a bit. We're going to watch the market shake out. Spirit's still getting crushed. I'm really getting hurt on my contract, down 60%. So what I'm going to do is at the end of the month, so when's that? So next Friday is the 28th, right? So on the 28th, I'm going to determine if it's worth to hold my Spirit calls. If not, I'll cut my losses then. I don't want to cut them just yet, because we could see, the beaten downs. If it makes any sort of reversal, like even up $1 to 18, I'm really not down much. So we just got to keep that in mind. Tesla is falling, which I expected in the morning. People want to secure profits. Supernatural movement. RKT September 23 calls play earnings. Yeah, let me check RKT. AMD is down right now. So we're gonna just kind of watch. Like I said, we always just watch the market in the morning. Rocket companies, that'd be pretty cool. Yeah, you can trade options on them too. That's a good job. Yeah, it's not a bad move. It says their earnings are the 2nd, and then you would play September 23rd call or September 18th, 23-cent play, maybe is what you're saying. Or $23 call. Gotcha. Yeah, that's 90 cents. Gotcha. That makes sense to me. Yeah, I like the delta on it. That's a nice delta. Oh, and there's Tesla to the sky. Okay. I look away for 1 second, it's already just into the stratosphere, right? Microsoft's mooning, so SPY should be doing good. Yep, high 50s. Now it just hit 60. AMD selling off. FedEx's. Home Depot sold off hard. Spirit's down. So we're going to watch SPY hover. Amazon's looking good. They're on my watch list. They've just been mooning. Kind of want to make an entry. I just don't want to hop in too early on Amazon. Microsoft's looking really good. Tesla's looking good. So we'll check out some contracts. Keep a close eye on Tesla. I might make an entry like I did yesterday. I had a blast with it. No, that's definitely a great idea, I think, Skylar. I really like Rocket. I like IPO, companies that IPO like that. I think it's really cool. I wonder if I buy like a longer expiration Tesla call. I wouldn't put very much capital down. It'd be really far out of the money and stuff, but just so I could, although that volume, it's got 0 volume on it today is my only fear. So probably wouldn't do that one. It's like a recipe for disaster. Oh my gosh, these calls. If I would have held I think I did a $2,100 call yesterday. Yeah. Wow, I paid $700 for it. Right now it's worth $2,500. That's crazy. That I sold for 900 yesterday. Crazy. Yeah, so we're gonna watch Tesla because they're hovering I think they'll be hovering for a bit. It's really hard to tell with them what's gonna happen. Some people think they'll hit 2,000. I could see it happening, but man, this thing could reverse on you. SPY's looking decent, 338.52, kind of where I expected it to hover. Now, yeah, if we just move 20 more cents or something, I'll look really good on this SPY play. But man, my Tesla calls would be up an extra $2,000 right now. That hurts. Baby girl. How you no. It's crazy, man. Crazy to see that though. But yeah, because I had the August 21st. What's up, Crafted Poseidon? Thanks for hanging out, my man. I had that August 21st play on them. Dude, I for real should have just held them and said, you know what, full send. Yeah, because I had the $2,100 call, right? And that's worth 2,353. So 2,000. Yeah, that's the one I had. So that's not worth. So I'd be up an extra 1,600. Yeah, it really is just serotonin roller coaster, Doyle. Thanks for hanging out, man. Yeah, I made 205 on a Tesla call yesterday, and if I would have held it, I would be up an extra 1,600 right now. So I'd have $1,800 profit. And if it just keeps riding, it would just be crazy. But I sold because I wanted to secure profits because I'm not trying to like break the bank out here. Like like break it backwards and lose cash. So I just want to play everything safe. I was happy with my profits. SPY's looking good, and I got a SPY call going. So pretty much at break even, and if it rides up a little bit more, I'll be really good. For real, James, what a time to be alive. But SPY's looking good. I think we could break new records this week. The record's 339.08, and we are, what is that, 50 cents away? Right around 55 cents away now. So I'm going to keep a close eye on that, but I think these SPY calls will do pretty well. Docu's kind of fallen. AMD's down. Saves on the rise. I should have hopped into Amazon when I talked about it. It's already up $14 since then. Tesla, I'm really just watching Tesla because I'm going to keep a close eye on it because I'd like to make another entry later in the day if it keeps going up, if it keeps getting pushed up. But it's hard because this thing's like, it's almost like gambling if you're just playing Tesla because it's so random. But if you have a plan, you're more likely to be successful at it, I think. But Amazon's mooning. I might take a position here. I really like it here. And it's just mooning. So I'd play like a day trade on it. Let me see if there's anything I can afford that makes sense. Because like with Tesla, with the delta, and when it moves $100 a day and the delta is like 0.03, that's a really good delta. But on Amazon, okay, these contracts are already up a ton this morning. I was going to say on Amazon, if I was to play a call that's way out of here, I guess there's not even really any volume on these guys either, though. Yeah, so I wouldn't hop into that. But there's a lot of money to be made. But if there's no one to buy your contract, it's kind of risky to hold on to it, in my opinion. There we go. SPY 338. We're up $30 right now. 338.80 on SPY. So let's just keep riding it up. Let's keep riding the train. AMD looks like it's found some footing. We're going to give it a little bit more time before we make an entry on them today. Microsoft's pushing 212. DPST's down, which I assumed would happen. Apple's 461.51, mooning. So Brian, good stuff. I'm not playing SLV. I'll go to them though. I'm not a fan of silver and gold. I'm not, especially I don't know. I'm just not into it, Some kind of straddle might be a decent play. Oh yeah, those are so expensive. I actually watched a guy put $1,200 into a Tesla, what do you do, a debit spread? Yeah, a 2,000 call for the end of the week debit spread, or the end of next week, I think. It was, yeah, the end of next week debit spread. That'd be 2,000 back when they first started rallying. That $1,200 call is up 500%, and he had another one because it was a spread. And right now, his position that cost him like $3,000 is now worth like 18. I was like, what? In literally 3 to 4 days. I would want to get on that. That's fire. Are you kidding me? That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Tesla's tanking though right now. So that's why we didn't enter. Got to let the market shake out and do its thing. Just like yesterday. Remember Tesla dipped? It hit a resistance spot and then launched. That's why I don't take positions until like 9:45 because there's too much volatility. For me personally. I mean, you guys can do it what you guys want to your risk, but DPST's down again, which just hurts because my portfolio would be crushing it right now if that could pick up. But yeah, SPY 338.78. I think we're gonna get a little bit of hover action. AMD is 82.14. It's gonna be an interesting day to watch, but I think SPY breaks 339 today. That's in my opinion. Amazon's just too strong today. Amazon's too strong. Yeah, I'm holding SPYcraft beside. I'm doing decent on it right now. I'm up 3% and then today because the theta hurt me. That's why I got hurt. I swung it. I could have purchased it this morning at the same price I paid yesterday. And I swung it, and since I was doing good on it yesterday at close, the theta chunked away, if that makes sense. So like all the gains that were made got chunked away by the theta, which is fine because we're gonna hold SPY through the day. Facebook's looking good. I hope Facebook gets really strong. But it's like this could be the perfect time to enter Tesla, but I don't know. I'm just you really don't know. I like to just see more like I don't know how to explain it. More of an uptrend. You held overnight, now 29. Perfect, bro. For real. That's awesome. How many contracts do you have? That's awesome. I should have held Tesla overnight. I can't believe I sold that. I literally left 16 hundo on the table by just selling something. I've done this so much. I left 2,500 on the table selling Berkshire. Yeah, that's awesome. One SPY call up that much. It's awesome. I'm gonna send this to the Discord. I wish I need to make a money printer emote for the Discord to where if anybody does well. I gotta send a sad face to this guy. This emote. They need to have more emotes that you can comment with. I must hope you feel better, man. Oh, that Tesla one that guy made is just printing. I'm up 4K on Tesla. Jeez, dude. Someone in the group. Tesla's hitting 2K before the split. You think so, Sensei? Dude, did you play any options or any shares? SPY is mooning. What's Tesla doing? Is it the calm before the storm? Are we just gonna see one green candle? I'll be like, guys, I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom, and then I'll come back and Tesla's $2,100, and it was a $200 green candle. Everyone's like, Logan, where'd you go? I'm like, guys, what do you mean? And then I just see a green arrow straight to the sky. Somebody options chat is up 37K, bro. I need a money printer emote. There we go, Sensei. You got your 3 shares at 1,600. You're printing, bro. I got 3 shares back in February for 700. Or no, I bought first I bought at 500, sold at 8, and then rebought at 780. And now I've just been holding those 3 shares. So here's my position on that, which is nuts. I think it's 138% return. I bought the 3 shares, so I'm up $3,250 on my 3 Tesla shares. I wish I had more. Oh my gosh, dude, if I would have put 10 grand in it a year ago, I was in California. The price was 180. I was seeing them everywhere. I just finished my Elon book. I don't know. Their 5-year chart is literally near. Oh, you have 45 of them? No way, bro. Yeah, you're a printer. I'm hoping to be hopping out of SPY here to take some profits. Not a bad idea. Yeah, you could sell them Poseidon. I might sell half and then hold half, but we'll see. I'm just hoping to squeeze a little bit more out of SPY. It's looking strong, so we'll see what happens. AMD's still down. That's why it's on the watch list. Tesla's still printing up 3%, but I couldn't get in because the contracts that I could afford had no volume on them. So maybe I play it maybe a little further out, but I want to day trade it, like hop in and then hop out right now is what I would have done. But let's see what they'd be worth. Yeah, thanks, man. For real. Side means a ton to me. Yeah, they're up even crazy. Jeez, man. I should have hopped in. I'd be up like a couple hundred. It's just there's no volume on these contracts, so I'm not trying to lose it all. Because I just, what if I couldn't sell it? That sucks so bad. It'd be so bad. Spies, yeah, it's gonna go over 339, baby. Any options this morning? Not yet, Grayson. We swung SPY last night, and it's mooning. Everything is mooning right now. So I'm just waiting. I'm watching. Amazon's up 200% on their options. Can't wait till I can afford one of those once DPST takes back off. SPY just hit 339. It's still climbing. We're doing well in our position. I'm up about, what's that say, $70. So I'm up $70 on SPY right now. I could have timed it a little better buying this morning. It did. It did it. Let's go, Lynn. Told you. So once I hit about a hundo on the SPY position, I'm gonna sell half. Let's go. Heck yeah, Blake. I'm telling you guys, SPY is just a money printer. It's low risk. I love the deltas. It doesn't even have to move. You don't have to worry about one thing going to crap. It's peace of mind. So once I get a hundo return on this, I'd sell it, or sell half, hold the other half, and then let's see if we can shop for some plays. I'm really liking AMD. That dip is awesome. I just don't know when to hop in now, but I really like that dip. It's gonna make it cheaper for all of us to hop in if you guys want to come on in with me. The money printer. Yeah, it was down quite a bit. I'm gonna send this into the money printer sound. Up on the phone. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. I was 05 and 06. I just have Drake stuck in my head right now. He dropped that new song with Lil Durk, and I like it a lot. Yeah, DPST is getting stomped on today. We're down to $61 a share. This thing doesn't stay out. I just need it to stay above 60. I would hate for it not to, because then I'd have to dump it because there's so many better places. If that stock doesn't move, I feel like to put your money. So we're hanging out with Tesla. Well, we are hanging out with Tesla, but you just don't know. The stock's crazy. Taking a little, let's ride, people can take the dip, buy whenever. SPY's at 339. We just need Amazon to keep going up. It's up 3. Look at that, dude. Look at that. It's Tesla numbers right now, guys. This is the new Tesla. AMD low. I'm excited. No background music today, Sensei. So I actually got copyright claimed the last time I did music in the background of my song, or in the background of my stream. So no music today. I just don't want to get copyright claimed again, because there's the claims and then there's the violations, and then if I get violation stuff, it's bad for the account. And I'm trying to keep my channel. But yeah, I mean, I'd love to play music. I wonder if I could play my own, or if I'd get that would be actually kind of fire. I just don't know if I'd get copyrighted for playing my own song. So I don't know. Who knows? Big bro, you're crazy. I just start playing my own song. I'm like, guys. Oh yeah, I'll put the link. I dropped a new song last night actually. So if you guys want to go check it out, let me grab the link. I'll give you guys the well, since you guys are on YouTube, I'll give you guys the Spotify link. So let me know. But I'm gonna post it. So I did the song with B Keys, or Black Keys. He tours with Jon Bellion. He has a song with Logic. He's a really cool guy, super awesome artist to work with, and we had a blast. I played guitar on the beat, and then we just both had our own little verse, and I wrote a chorus for it. So if you guys want to check that out, I'm gonna find the link for you. It's coming down a little bit. I'm still up 5%, 22% on the day, because I was getting stomped because I bought it right at close and it tanked 30 cents. But yeah, let me find the link and we will get it going. Amazon slowed down, which is normal. And Tesla is. Oh yeah, I got you, bro. For real. Yeah, I got here. Let me grab that link. I don't know if you guys have ever listened to B Keys, but he's really cool. He's an awesome artist. A lot of my friends saw John Bellion live last summer. He came and brought B keys with him, so it was really cool. I didn't know they had your own music. Hey, Sensei, I appreciate it. Yeah, that's like what I do mainly. That's why I got the mic stand. That's mainly what I do in my free time when I'm not trading stonks and doing research and stuff like that. I'm either making music or reading, or I like watching The Office and watching and movies. So it's a pretty chill lifestyle. But that's what I like to do. I gotta unplug my laptop, it's starting to heat up. Whenever I charge my MacBook, it gets crazy. So yeah, let me grab that link for you guys from Spotify. It's just taking a second to load my laptop's. You guys hear that? I don't know if you can. It's like whoop, making noise because I'm trying to do all this stuff. So we'll move it out of there. Let the fans breathe a little. So you play your piano. Oh, that's so sick, dude. You played piano your whole life? I have one. I just don't play it often. I play it sometimes, but it's hard because I'm not like, I don't really have a lot of music theory. I have a little bit of it. Like I understand like the circle of fifths, like reading notes and stuff like that. But I just kind of go, like I like piano tabs a lot, time and stuff. I just like that. I do a lot of Radiohead songs on the piano. I was thinking about this last night. If you bought Tesla for out of the money, could you still make money off it? Yes, you could. That's what I did. I bought it so far out of the money and made like 205, which if I would have held it this morning would have been up $2,000. So yes, you can still make money, Poseidon. You just have to make sure your deltas are good, and implied volatility is scary because if it starts to tank, your whole contract can lose money like that on Tesla. SPY's at 338.70, pulling back. We're at break even again. So we were up 70. Now we're at break even. So I'm going to hold it. We got it till Friday. I have a plan. When I'm up 100, I'm selling half, letting the other half ride. I'll try to make an extra like $30. Okay, so you're chasing bread. Got it on the Discord. Okay, yeah, no, for real. This is like literally every day we do this. We all just hang out, we chat stocks, and because like, what else is there to do, dude? We're quarantined. I can't go have fun. What do you guys mean? Oh, like no, I think that's too far out of the money. I'm talking like where you put down. Oh, SPY reversed. Whew. I'm down again, just like the morning. Crazy. I wonder what's causing it. Is it tech selling off? Tesla's getting crushed. Oh, it's Apple. It's Apple, bro. What? It's Apple and Facebook. Well, I'm back to being in the negative. That was fast. I didn't think that would happen like that. All right, so let's see what happens. Tesla's getting crushed, though. I'm glad I sold yesterday. I wonder what that contract would be worth right now. Let's go check that out. All right, it's all good, though. We got SPYs for the end of the week. Tim goes, uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Yeah, I went from being up 70, now I'm down like 70. What is happening? That's $140 difference in like 5 minutes. What? Let's see what my Tesla call. Okay, so right now I'd only be up like an extra like 400. I've had to get out this morning. Dude, I blame Apple. Oh well, I mean, we're back to like, yeah, being down what we were up. Wasn't a Spaghetti-O moment though. Should have sold. AMD, we're gonna keep our close eye on them for an options play. Docu's on the downfall. But yeah, SPY is 338.40 now, and we were just 339. And when that happens, we're up a lot because I got my 4 contracts. So see, it's 209 right now. We hopped in at 211 yesterday, and then we rode this bad boy up to 243. Can you guys see? Am I still at 196? That's the wrong way. All right, well, we're at 211 now, so pretty much back to where we entered in the Discord. Oh my gosh, I can't show you guys. Scroll. How's Darden doing? What's up, Ben? Thanks for hanging out. Happy Tuesday, guys. Darden it's having a down day today, which is probably a good time to purchase. It had a really good week. Look at that. That's like it's a month. See that big mountain? But yeah, it's kind of hung out, but it needs to pull back because stocks move when stocks move like that. See, like that big mountain's gonna pull down. That one will too. Pretty natural. SPY is interesting though. DocuS's down. FedEx is all right. I'm gonna stay away from FedEx for now. It's still on my watch list, but just pretty nerve wracking. Tesla's at 1,860. So we'll keep an eye on them for a play. It just feels super risky, but I got some buying power, so we're gonna keep our eye on it. Let's see how Apple does today too. Hashtag free Fortnite. Yeah, DPST's hurting, Miguel. It's hurting. I've checked it. We're down on the week 17%. So financials, they honestly with stimulus stuff, they were looking amazing. With stimulus talks, we had Buffett put money into Bank of America, and that was looking good. And then all out of nowhere, DPST has just been getting hurt because they were like no stimulus talks, which will literally give banks more liquidation, and they won't have to cut rates into the negative range. And there's still people making money on mortgages. If unemployment goes through and people have money, they will be buying stuff and then taking money out for loans. It's the lowest rates have ever been. Banks will still make money. Mortgages have the most profitable margins in the world, I swear. If you look at mortgages and how mortgages work and everything like that, banks make so much money off a mortgaged home because they more like fed up. I know, right, Tim? Seriously, that's how they're moving. But yeah, so literally what banks do too. Think about it like this, okay? Damn, I'm still getting hurt on SPY. It just fell like 80 cents from its high point, and everything's like pew because of Apple. Pew, you suck, Apple. Okay, so mortgages, right? So here's mortgages. You put a down payment down on a house, okay, and then you finance the rest. So let's say you put 20% down. I'll use easy round numbers. So you buy, what is that noise? You buy a $200,000 home. You finance 160 grand of it at, most people have like 4%, 3.75. But if you refinance now, you could get it down to like 2.6. It's the lowest it's ever been. They take your money just because you're borrowing it from them. So basically, like someone, let's say you have a bank account, right? That's got 20 grand in it, and you have a savings rate of 1% a year. They can take your money and they leverage it at 3 to 4% on these mortgages, and then on top of that, they put it into the market, and they have stocks, so they get external funding from people who buy bank stocks. They make money off mortgages, and then they also take your money and put it in the market. So it's like, it's so crazy. They literally can make money off of, that's why you see all these big banks when it's like Goldman Sachs just bought $2 billion worth of Amazon or something, you know, they have all this money and it's yours. It's just like a brokerage. It's like Robinhood. The guys who started Robinhood have like all the freedom to your capital. Of course, it's still yours, and they're liable when you sell something. They're like, okay, we have to give them their money, or they can take us to court, file, lawsuits, all that stuff. So like that's how it is with banks too. It's just like banks don't sit with. That's why when people say like I'm gonna go rob a bank, they're not gonna have $2 million in the vault. My phone's being so weird. Banks don't have $2 million in the vault. They have I think it's like 30 grand, if that. Honestly, it's probably less. I don't know. Maybe it's more. It's right around there. I don't know everything about it, like how much banks have on hand. I'm not saying rob banks, but I'm just saying that's a lot of people are like got that misconception of like what banks do and what they're for, and they're just like a business. Like they make money. My favorite phrase, and then we'll go back to stocks, is if you want to don't rob a bank, own the bank. So that's something to keep in mind. SPY is at 207 on this contract. They're at 338.32. Yeah, Poggers, Ben. So there's some facts. There's some finance facts for anybody who doesn't know what banks are for. Doesn't that make them feel a little scummy, right? Yeah, okay. So required reserve ratio. See, Doyle knows. Doyle knows what he's talking about. I don't know as much as he does about this stuff. Required reserve ratio. Yeah, so 10% of whatever is in the bank. So like don't think that if you go into some small town home local bank that you're going to walk out with like millions or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Baba, is Baba getting crushed? Poseidon? I want to watch Walmart too. They're on my list. Baba's looking like a good entry position. How are they doing this week? They're actually rising. That's so funny. Over this week, everyone. I heard that was like fake news though, but I could be wrong. I mean, I try my best to educate myself, but there's so many different sources. It's like hard to know exactly that what I'm listening to is solid information. But I heard it was fake news personally, but I could be wrong, right? Square SQ on the disc. Almost. Just recovered on Baba for break even. I might hop in for earnings. I like that plan. We'll see what SPY does. I'll check SQ. Oracle Racing. Yeah, Oracle. Wow, that's crazy. Just picked up some SQ. Just picked up some SKU. Hey, if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit the sub button. Also, join the Discord if you haven't yet. But I'm gonna grab some Square as well for a day trade. So let's see if we can afford. I'll just throw like a couple hundred at something. Let's go for this in the money call. It's currently 310. Let's see if someone will sell it to me. That's my biggest fear is missing out on gain. Oh no. Missing out on gains because I couldn't buy a contract because my limit price was too screwy. All right, so let me hit trade options on Square. Let's check this out. I'm gonna hop into Square for the day. I called them out in the Discord. They're having a little red morning. Bro, you're crazy. Diamond in the rough. You look as good as Oprah's bank account. Tried to get it at 315 and it skyrocketed on me. SQ. Gonna day trade and re-enter to a longer term one tomorrow. Time later today. Today. I spelled today wrong. Put an F there. Thank you guys for hanging out though, for real. I'm down 42 in Walmart, but Nvidia also, yep. JMIA call. That's fire. Yeah, let's see how Square does. I just grabbed some. So we'll watch them. We'll keep them on in our watch zone. Trying to not get my laptop hanging out, so I'm not going to enter. SPY's hanging out. Square's hanging out too. Oh wait, I don't have the funds. That's right, to buy. So we'll see. I like the SQ day. I like the square. Squares delta. Yeah, I'm just telling people in the Discord I couldn't find a Amazon contract with volume. SQ is not too bad. Spy's getting hurt. Oh, Spy is down. What is happening? Is it? Oh, okay. So we just basically got stuff selling off. Microsoft's down. Everything was looking good. So I think we'll see a little nice bounce recovery style. AMD, I was gonna enter, but now they're down even more. So luckily we did not hop into that. I did hop into Square, and Spy is a big red candle down. What are we looking at? Okay. Yeah, so it's gonna be. I'm curious to see how the rest of this day moves because we just hopped into Square, so I'll throw them on my watch as well, so I can watch them that way. Yeah, we just everything I get in like, oh. Yeah, if we hold Square long term, I think you're in a good position. Yeah, I'm down a little bit on it. Was up almost 200, now I'm down. That was me with Spy. Spy is hurting me now. I am down a lot on them because the whole market reversed on us. Jose shouted this out though. He's like, yo, the market goes down every Tuesday. Be careful, guys. That man's called. I think Square is still strong for today. We're just going to be hurting on Spy for a minute. It's tough. I should have sold out this morning. Looking back, you know, when I was up 70, I was like, I want to make a hundo. And now I'm down. But it happens. It happens. It happens. SQ is still down, but I think we got a lot of upside for it. So made the entry. DPST's down. So we're getting hurt today. But just like yesterday, we were hurt in the morning. We were down a big amount, and then it recovered the rest of the day. So we'll keep a close eye on everything. Oh, I think I can buy another Square contract. I can. Let's go. Now it's out of. I just had enough money to buy another Square one, so we needed to fall like 5 cents. Oh my gosh! Here it goes to the moon. Oh, it's already up 30 cents. And I was like, there's the low point. I try to hop in. So if it comes back down, I can fill another contract. AMD's still down. SPY is 337.47. Which square contract did I enter? I entered the, wow, and it's mooning. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's up a lot more than it was. It's up like 20 bucks since I tried to enter. It's the 149 call that expires on Friday. I'm going to try to day trade this. I think we got a good upside with Square. I just happened to buy at 149.60 and now it's at 149 flat. But I think we can get a good candle. I'm surprised Square came down as much as it did. I'd be down to hop out. I think we got a good setup for this to go to like 152. And it also candled up there this morning. So I think we can make a quick, 50 bucks off of a $300 contract play. And even if we don't and Square falls, I can get a second contract and I won't even have to come back up as much. So it's really like a win-win situation for me on Square. The only thing I'm concerned about is SPY because it's looking better, but I am still, now I'm down. I could have sold and re-entered. Ugh. Tesla doesn't even know what it wants to do today, so we're going to wait. And see. So Square's hanging out at 149. I actually really like it here. It's at 5, or what was it at? 298 actually. 299 is what my call is. So I'm down 45 right now. I like the delta, and if it moves up, we could make a quick 50 to a hundo on a day trade here. Just buying low, selling it high. But if I would have got that other contract filled at 265, I'd be at break even at 3 right now. And I'd right now be up with 2 contracts fighting their way to the ceiling. But yeah, if this was at 465 in the morning, so I think we can make a quick hundo if this thing moves another $1.50. So that's what we're hoping for, right, on Square. And then SPY is just interesting. As long as it comes back up to the 338 range, I'm not worried. But man, Square didn't fill my order. I should have just limit or market ordered it because I'd be doing good. But we'll watch it. I like Square here. I am live, yo, Tango Cat. Thanks for hanging out, my man, for real. Live every day, Monday through Friday. Unless I get sick or something. Catch the COVID at 19. No, it would suck. But if I was ever sick, I'd be like, sorry, guys. Pass out on the floor. I'd be like, guys, we're going to watch Tesla open. And then I would just pass out. So, yeah, Square hanging out at 149.52. I just want to ride the wave, try to make like a quick 100 today. SPY's recovering, so that's good. I'm only down 170 now and not 200. And I was up 70 this morning. So you guys can see how these things move and why I manage my risk like this. So entered Square a little too early. And we're also just getting hurt a little bit on SPY. So let's see what happens today, right? TPST is down to $60 a share. Man, I feel like I should have sold and then rebought today. I just wish I knew, It's hard to know. You don't want to leave money on the table. Just usually when money comes out of tech, it's going into banks and vice versa. So I don't know. It's weird. Weird morning for sure. Trailing stop order function. Hey, Vaughn, I do not. What I end up doing is I'm trying to, sorry, 1 second, I'm reading. Trying to tag somebody. Trying to text you. My phone is bugging out again. One second, I gotta delete a couple posts. All right, so it's trailing stop order function. So no, what I end up doing, if I have a play that's up a lot, I set a goal and then I'll set my limit sell, if that makes sense. Like, okay, if it hits this is what I'm gonna get out, right? So like it's either a percent or a dollar gain, whether I'm like, okay, I wanna make 10% on this, or I wanna make $30 here or 100 here. And then when I lose money, I just keep my eye on it enough to where like, okay, if I need to get out now, I'll get out here. Like if, because let's say I have a 20% stop, maybe it'll go to 22 and then bounce back to 18 and then I'll hop out or something, something like that. My phone is acting so weird right now. Nothing's loading. Everything's moving super slow. I have no idea what is happening. I think I got to take my case off. Yeah, Lynn, SPY's hurting us right now, but heads up, we got our head up, and I'm gonna sell if we rebound to the 339 range, because this thing tanked on us quicker than I could even realize. I swear, man, my phone just overheats these days. But yeah, Vaughn, that's kind of my method. Oh, this thing is burning. Yeah, we're gonna set that down for now. Apple's being funky. Square's looking good. Square's looking good. SPY's hanging out. SPY's hanging out. Don't forget to leave a like in the live stream if you guys are new here. That sub button, join the Discord. Also, I got to grab that link to my song. I totally forgot. I'll put the Spotify link in. We were talking about stuff. I forgot what we were. I'll post this down below. There we go. It should be in the chat now. But that's the Spotify link for it. I did the song with B Keys. He tours with John Bellion a lot. He's a really cool guy to work with. So check it out if you guys want to, and let me know how you like it. But man, my phone is overheating. It's losing battery by the second. It makes no sense. Facebook is climbing. I'm really hoping that helps SPY today, because SPY contracts aren't looking terrible. They're not in the best shape, but I should probably average my cost down. Oh no, but wait, it's because I have collateral on Square right now. That's right. So we'll see what Square does. I'm feeling really good about it. I think this is a little dip, especially if you think you can swing it until tomorrow or day trade it. I think we got into a good position. So let's keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it, and I'm excited to trade it. Apple, you're down. I blame you for all this. Blame Apple for everything. Such a painful day. Painful day, but we'll see. We'll watch Square. I really like where it's at right now. That's what's cool. It's sitting in a nice spot. Neo gap down, call on AMD. I saw someone in the driveway. I was like, is it the FedEx truck again? Hello? Oh yeah, Neo. I forgot about Neo. I don't really watch them too much. They just are too random for me personally. You have 40,000. Oh, we bought at the moment. You do? That's awesome. Holy crap, that's a lot of money. Did you buy them at like $2 or something? That's awesome. 40,000 shares on Neo. Holy crap, dude. That's awesome. Let me check AMD for you, Grayson. I like AMD here. Wait to see if they retest their low at 81.31, but if not, if they get back up to like 81.86, I think we could see them break out. I don't have the funds right now. I got it locked up in my Square and SPY and Save calls, all those plays. Man, DPST is just crushing me right now. So we're gonna watch Square. I might hop into another one if the price permits. Oh, let's go. Did it go through? Yes, it did. Nice. Two contracts. Not like me at all, like collectively. What is that? Two SQ contracts. Currently 305 average cost. Yeah, so my purchase went through. Now let's hope that Square can rally back up. And if we could get to the 350s range, I could sell it for $100 profit. And we did already just get back to the 310 range just by going up literally 40 cents on Square. So as long as it doesn't like reverse on us, I think we'll be doing good. But if it does and I hit my stop, it's going to be like, damn. So we're just gonna keep our eye on it. I'm not gonna hold it overnight yet. Waiting for SPY to pick back up with Square. Apple is just hurting us, guys. Like we really need something. That was at 461. SPY was crushing it. Apple is the culprit. I'm blaming Apple. Yeah, SPY is still getting crushed. Should have sold this morning. That would have been nice. I'd have a really nice looking portfolio if I wasn't holding that right now. Okay, so Tesla's finally going up. We'll see what happens. DPST's back over 60. I hope it stays there. Don't like holding stuff. Holding stuff that's getting crushed. It sucks. But we don't have a contract, so I just cost for me. It's not Square took a little bit more of a dip. It's not really like, okay, it's not okay, I'm not doubling my money yet, but there's so many other places you could put your money where it would fly, is kind of the way I look at it. Square's getting herded. SPY's getting herded. Play earnings. Whew. How's Pinterest doing? I've heard about them. Come. Oh, Lowe's earnings. Yes. Target, AMD at a low, AMD dropping again. I'll check them out. My phone's just being so whack. Oh yeah, AMD is still dropping. I assumed it would fall through if the market kept, which it has been. See, entering Square now would have been cool. Waiting a little bit, but the market was looking really strong, consolidating well. So we're just gonna have to wait and see how the rest of these plays develop and what happens to SPY. Because I have SPY until Friday, so I'm not like worried, but I'm not digging its current position. Not digging it, but I do blame Apple. Let's see if it can turn around. And Microsoft's not looking too great for it either. But if both these stocks can, turn around, just like they did, this happened what, last Friday? No, was that yesterday? I can't remember. Stocks opened. Was it yesterday? Yes. Do you guys remember the market being down and then right around 10:30 everything just picked back off? Okay, SPY, please cross 337 the right direction. Come back. Gary, come home. And Square's back over 148, so that's a great sign too. Just trying to get in and out of Square, and then for SPY, we just need some big Microsoft and Apple reversals to the positive side, and we'll be looking good. Which Apple's looking a little better, so SPY's looking a little better. Not much, but over 337 now. So yeah, let's keep our eye close on the prize. It's crazy how fast these contracts move, guys. How's AMD looking? I don't have the funds, but I want to keep an eye on them. Oh, they're looking a little better than they were. You guys see that Ryan Reynolds sold his wine company or liquor? What is it? Aviation Gin, maybe? Something like that. It's crazy. $148 on Square. Spy's right at 337, hanging out. So we just got to give it some time, and then we can make decisions on holding stocks or cutting losses on Spy. I like Square, and I have Spy till the end of the week. It's just like, please come up so that I'm not down as much. Free up some more capital. Well, that's what's cool about Spy. It's like it can reverse and also come back for you, but also at the same time, it could still hurt. It can hurt your play. So we'll see. We'll keep a close eye. Would have loved to sell earlier. Hopped back in. Yeah, that's what I got to get better at, selling earlier and hopping back in. So let's hope Square can push. Spy's looking better with Apple being hurt. Spy's looking a lot better. FedEx is a big red candle. Oh my gosh. Straight to the floor. Doc, you call anyone? You know what? I'm going to shower and hope to come back to a green market. Good idea, James. Shower, live in the moment, enjoy your time, and come back and hopefully you see a green market. You just come back every Tyler. Square is looking better, so that's good news. Spy's looking better, guys. I just need to be at 338, and then I'm not getting stomped anymore. So that would be nice. Docu's trend. Yeah, I almost bought a call on Docu earlier when it was 209. So I think getting in now is not a bad idea. I like Docu. Let's see, what's Apple doing? Apple's still hanging out. Facebook's hanging out. Hopefully getting a more greener surface. Greener? Yeah, green is a word. I was like, what? Save call is down some more. It's hurting us. James, I'm gonna do the same. Hope SLV stops ripping me a new one. SLV is scary. I just can't play silver. I can't play silver and gold. It just throws my brain for loops because I don't understand it personally, and things I don't understand. CRM 828 215 call. Oh, nice. Let me check it out. CRM, Salesforce. Okay, so you got 215 call. I like this stock. Nice. $215 filled. Okay. Nice. You're already at $15. Nice. That's great, man. Keep that up. You bought the dip perfect earnings run up too. That's a great call. I'll keep an eye. Maybe we make a call out to the Discord for it for earnings run up play. SPY is doing a little bit better, but not very much better. Square's good. I'm only down 28 on Square right now. So that's good. Baby. I made a solid play on it a couple weeks ago, and you're expecting the new stimulus. Yeah, I was too. That's why I played Spirit, and it just crushed me. Should have waited. Should have just waited it out. I got FOMO. I thought the new stimulus was coming out, and I got FOMO. Just not a good time to get FOMO. I was like, we got to get on the airlines, guys. We're going to have 200% returns in like 3 weeks, a month. And everyone was like, okay. Oh, you like the new song, Ben? I appreciate it, man. It means a ton to me. That's awesome. Don't forget to add it to your playlist. Oh, yeah. You want to jump into the Discord, Skylar? Let me grab that the link for you. Yeah, we try to call stuff out, and I do my best to make good call outs. Yesterday we did really well trading, and then today's been I would say. But I called out Square with the help of someone in the Discord. So I'm gonna grab that link and post it into here right now. Now that means a lot, Ben. Ben, listen to it on Spotify or YouTube, or how'd you do it? I'll take some FOMO merch. Yeah, I know. Some FOMO. See, like I don't deal with FOMO in my real life. Like there's never a time to where like someone goes to a party or like you see something fun and you're like, I missed out. It's only in stocks where I get FOMO. So there's the link to the Discord, Spotify. I appreciate it, Ben. Really means a ton. Yeah, that's awesome. Glad that everybody's liking it. SPY needs to pick back up. Yeah, I'm excited though. Yeah, we can definitely chat about it over a game of some video games tonight. I'd be down. Sneaker plugs appeared. I'm pretty sure that is my man Skylar. I'm almost certain. What do you play? I mainly play. I do hip hop music. The song's been streamed 71 times this morning. That's awesome. My song that I released. Playing games wise. Gotcha. I thought you meant instrument. I've been playing Fall Guys. I've also been playing. I was playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare, but I'm gonna get a PC soon. But I have a PS4. I also play 2K20, and then what are the other games I have down here that I like to play? What does that say? Oh, that is the Modern Warfare case. I also play. What else? I have a Switch that I play, but I don't play that online. But I'm a big PS4 guy. So big PS4 guy. So SQ is down a little bit. So yeah, big PS4 guy, but I didn't. Fall Guys seems pretty fun. I watched a couple streams. Yeah, it's a blast. It's free too if you have a PlayStation. And then Ben, I do not play Minecraft. I just don't own it. I've played it. F's in the chat. I don't play Minecraft. But yeah, those are kind of the games that I kind of run. I mainly play Fall Guys and 2K. I like the UFC games too. Those are fun. Big fan of those. Big fan of those. So we'll keep an eye. Square's looking good. I'm really happy with this. SPY is just the only thing that's concerning me. But as long as it doesn't turn around like last week where it was down bad, then I think we could have a pretty solid week. How are these Tesla calls looking? Skizzy is you. I assumed you were, or Skizzy. Oh, wait. Oh, Skizzy. All right, so we just got new sneaker plugs. I'm just going to say welcome to both. Skizzy into the Discord. Welcome to the new members. Thank you guys for joining. Don't forget to sub to the channel too if you guys haven't yet. I release content and I live stream Monday through Friday, and I just try to make good call outs. I want to build just a nice small community. Oh, okay. So Skizzy's You Sneaker Plugs is my other account. Perfect. Apple's coming back up. I love to see it. Love to see that. So Spy is coming back up then. That's what you're saying, right, Lena? Yeah, Apple's doing good. It's back in the green. So hopefully Facebook follows that trend. I want to see Facebook back to 263 today. I think we got, Facebook's in consolidating. It's time for a little breakout from them, in my opinion. It's long overdue. Square's kind of reversing a little bit more. I wonder what's causing that. I can go check Webull. Check my notifications. So to reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine. So if you can wait to finish charging past 80%, please do. That's funny as heck. What is happening? My iPhone's like, yo, you gotta calm down. You gotta let your phone charge, or your battery's gonna be dead. Like, okay. Spy, what are we doing, Spy? 337.19, 21. My favorite, literally people like in the Webull comments, which is the worst place to get information, are like, it's gonna moon, or they're like, it's gonna crash, Spy back to 300. Like, it's so dumb. It's so dumb, dude. People are upset. People get so upset. Like, they think they know what they're saying. It's so weird. Like, I know exactly what's gonna happen at the end of the day. It's so dumb. The Dow and NASDAQ are down. And the people panic so much. It's crazy. You just gotta sit and hold, buy low, be patient, don't panic. Tesla's mooning. There goes Tesla. It's off to the races. Just took until 10:47. I'd love to see like Tesla. I'd love to see people live streaming who have like thousands of viewers, and their comment section is just it's like all the way down. Oh, should I buy now? Do I get in now? All these questions, and like the guy's just like, we're gonna enter Tesla. It's on the news, so everyone's like, it's 1900. Let me go buy some, because I like to buy high and sell low. It could pop, yeah. That would be crazy to see. Nuts, man. Hold your winners, right? A lot of people, though, with implied volatility still haven't recovered to what it looked like in the morning. So that's the only thing. But yeah, I like Tesla a lot. My favorite company. Them and Apple are my two favorite companies out there. Yeah, the Square volume's looking nice today too, and I think we're going to see a little bit more of a bullish side from Square. And the average volume a day is about 16 million. It's been traded almost 4 million times. We got more of a bullish pattern coming in for them. I would just love to see Square break like 149 again. Secret stock. We got to keep it a secret. SPY's looking good. Amazon's finally recovering, holding up all these other companies. Apple's looking really good. I feel like SPY should be performing a little better with everything looking this much better. $148.52 on Square. Kind of just hovering. Secret stock. I'm not saying anything. Secret stock. Secret stock, right? Might pop. Secret stock. Tesla's the secret stock thing. Shh, nobody knows. Nobody knows Tesla's the best company out there. Wow, it's mooning. $1,914. What? Wow, that would have been quite the stock to enter today. Just hard, man. That implied volatility, you never know. Because if it reverses on you and you're like getting strangled by it. But if you're not, you're making money, more power to you. That's awesome. I think I had my fun with it for now. I'm liking Square though. This is an awesome looking trend. I wish I would have waited to purchase my first contract because I'd only be down like 20 bucks instead of 50. But who cares? We're going to play them. We're going to ride them out today. I'm really surprised Square dipped down this much. Apple's climbing. SPY's looking better. Raise the roof, baby. Lena, I love Tyler Childers. Dude, little feathered Indians. I learned, what was the song I learned? Shake the Frost. I learned Shake the Frost on guitar. I love that song. What were the other ones? All Yorn is amazing, even though it's like his, most popular one. Yes. Oh, dude, I know who that is. Are you kidding me? I love music. See, and he's like, I call him Kentucky Bluegrass. Yeah, Nose on the Grindstone's awesome too. I like that one. Cole a lot. The live version of Cole is really good. I love that. But seriously, he's like a mixture of inspirational and like bluegrass. And I don't even listen to country music, but like I love his style. He is very calming. He is amazing. Lady May's good. White House Road. He just released a couple Spotify singles. That's cool. Or they got uploaded at least. Yeah, All Yorn. I could listen to this album right here, live on Red Barn Radio. I could listen to that forever. Yeah, it's awesome. Dead Man Charleston Girl is awesome. Gosh, he's so good. Yeah, all the goods right there. Yeah, he's one of my favorite artists for sure. And it's so crazy because it's like so different than everything else I listen to. So I don't know. It's just awesome. It's just awesome. Square's hanging out. right at 148. 85. I like that position for it. AMD's hanging out. DocuS's on the rise. SPY's back on the rise. SPY crosses 338. I am not stressed out anymore. Just so you guys know. So literally any amount of stress I have is SPY at 337.66. Gosh, it's just so fun to watch. These stocks, man. These stocks, I want to record a YouTube video today. So I have a new schedule. I want to put it out on the Discord too. Since I go live Monday through Friday for the time being, I will have a video uploaded every Saturday, and then Sunday I'll post my watch list for the week, and I won't do any content Sunday, so I can just enjoy my one day off from the market, right? Because Saturday's all market video editing, so I gotta listen to me talk about the market again. But it's awesome. I love stocks. This is so much fun. It's a love-hate relationship. Yeah, so we got DPST down today, which is most of my losses today. I mean, I am down on SPY and a little on Square, but we've made enough yesterday to where everything's pretty much evening out so far. Gamer Nation, what's up, Droke? Thanks for hanging out. We're talking SPY and Square stocks. And yeah, we're just talking stocks and hanging out, talking about music and stuff like that. Droke, let me know when you listen to the Black Keys song. It's got streamed a ton this morning on Spotify. 73 streams with 2 people listening right now. So I'm pretty happy with that. And Keys hasn't even promoted on Instagram, and neither have Hi or Facebook. I get a lot of Facebook listeners, which is so crazy. But Square is back to doing good. It's above the 149 range. This is where I like SQ. I like it right here. Charleston girl. Oh, the Black Keys. No, the artist is Black Keys. Keys are a good band, but the artist that I worked with, but his name, it's like B Keys now on Spotify, but it's Black, like BLAQUE, and then Keys is with a Z. But yeah, the Black Keys, the band is really good. I like them. I also like Cage the Elephant. I got to see Cage the Elephant live. They were incredible. So I like them a lot. Charleston girl. I don't have Charleston girl stuck in my head all day. I'd play it, but my channel would probably get copyright strike on this stream. There's Charleston girl. Yesterday. How do I spell that? Square looking better. Docu looking good. SPY's hanging out. Pretty natural. It's gonna pull back again. I think we see SPY go past 338 again today. The trend is looking good. We get back to 388, I'm not stressed out. So, because that's my call. Really hope Facebook can shoot off to the sky and pull SPY with it pretty well. Yep, that would be the coolest. So we're looking a lot better on SPY than we were like 30 minutes ago. Patience, it's working. So what? Square's cool too. I like where Square's at because even if it pulls back a little bit more, I wouldn't be nervous. But it's looking good. I want to see this contract up in the 290s range. That just might take a minute. But I'm liking it. SPY's looking good. I like that trend. They just broke. So this is where they were at 10:15, and right now it's 11. So they're just breaking that. They're about to be green again for the day from like where they closed. So that's good. That's good news. I think they can do it. Today's the day. I think everyone's kind of buying this little dip. And maybe later it dips more, but for now, things are starting to recover. How's Apple doing? 459.78. Is Brian still here? Brian? Calling Brian. How are you doing, Brian? Are you still holding Apple? I wasn't sure if you were still in it or not. I didn't because I don't know if I thought today killing me or something. So I just wanted to double check, see what you were. I just want to double check with you to see if I should still root for it as hard as I was rooting for it yesterday. BRKB's mooning. That would have been a nice dip to buy. Oh, a little bit more, like the 205. I was thinking, and then Berkshire was going to be like a buy for me. But 208 still looks good. I kept my eye on them, but they're not really like my watch list like all these other stocks are with big run potentials. The Depot of Homes. Check PFE and Moderna, possible vax companies. Correct. Wanted to go into Tesla today, but was at the dentist. Dude, it's hard, man. Tesla's hard. I don't know because it's pulling back, but maybe that's just a support line. It's hard for me to know. I'm probably not going to enter anymore today unless it takes off later. If it just keeps climbing, but right now it's too up and down. Like the implied volatility would hurt my play too much to where even if Tesla falls like $5 because you're so far out of the money to get a cheap contract, it will hurt as if you need $30 more to even recover. So that's the only thing about the contracts that's like, yeesh. Like I could have did really well if I would have held Tesla overnight. I would have made $2,000 instead of 200. And if I would have waited to buy sooner, I bought it later in the day. If I would have bought it sooner and waited for the contract to fall at first, because I bought it was down 150, but then sold it for 205, like an hour later or hour and a half. I was sitting down with it 150. If I would have bought in then sold, I'd be in a better spot. Or if I would have bought then and then held until this morning, I'd be up $2,000. I just screwed myself that way because I'm trying to manage my risk, but it's like, I got to hold on to my winners sometimes, you know? Tesla's hard. It's hard for me to tell. Yeah, I think I had my fun with it yesterday. All right, yeah, I'll check. What was the other one? I know Moderna, PFE. I forgot. Is that Pfizer? Yes. Pfizer's down. I don't like the vaccine companies. I think Novavax is a good one. If we're talking Moderna and Novavax are like the two I take seriously, right? And they're getting crushed because they're just hype stocks. I swear, like they're just hype. It's I can't. I don't. I feel like no one knows what's going on. Mama says to not cry over spilled water. Exactly. Is it Moderna? Myrna? Moderna. Myrna is their tag. I agree with that. There's no backing. Yeah, dude, it's just too random. It's too random for me. I can't. I don't know. I'm just more comfortable trading stuff like SPY and Apple and knowing that if I lose money on those, it wasn't me just throwing my money at something, to be hopeful. Like, all right, I did it. Like, I just want to be more strategic with my plays so that I can make good plays, good money consistently. So I'm not like, here's 10 grand, throwing it on Moderna. And then I'm like, oh, there it goes. SPY's looking better. This is the highest it's been since 10:05. So let's just get it there. Let's go. SQ's looking good. I'm liking it. We're literally 50 cents away from being in the profit zone on SQ. So I'm getting a little giddy. Like 50 cents on contract movement. Whew. Forex spanked ya? Man, I used to trade, well, I used to paper trade Forex for fun and never got anything good. I got a message that came through on my laptop and 345 because I bought it. I don't know why. I got like phone. I don't know what I did. So I bought it 265. So my average cost is 305. So you're doing good today. That's a good purchase. SPY's looking good. Dude, if this gets back to $2 on my contracts, oh my gosh, I'll be so happy. Just needs to move 2 more cents or 20 more cents. All right. I like Owen 153 this morning. I'm up right now in SKU after average is down. So looking to be a great day. See, you timed this day so good. Way better than me, man. You timed it so good. I'm proud of that. Yeah, you like this style of trading? Forex is too hard for me. Watching candles, being able to trade 24/7 is like, I don't know. I'm like, I would just get on and be like, is now the best time? It's 9 p.m. Then you stress yourself out before bed. I don't know. That's my opinion. Yeah, good stuff, Skylar, though. You got a 305 and a 270. So, yeah, that's great. I'm happy to hear. Square's at 3 right now, flat, and I am only down $10 on my 2 contracts. So, go Square, go. Go Square, go. Go Square, go. 305, baby. That's the plan. $100 profits the plan today, which would not take very much. Square would honestly just have to get back to like 150. Gonna help some guy out with this SPY call. Square's looking 301. SPY's at 185. We're 10 cents away from back to 338, and all of my stress goes whoop out the window, baby. We are finally profitable on our Square position. We're up $6. $6 Renos. Yeah, $100 profit's my goal for the day on Square. I'm gonna day trade, but maybe I sell one and let the other ride. We'll see. Square, 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 square. Oh yeah, we're cooking. We're in the driver's seat right now. We're up 4%. So let's hope it continues. I'm digging this. SPY, we're looking. It's about shoot. We're at so. Oof, that'd be so awesome. I had money loaded onto my broker and 100% wish I would have just put it in Robinhood like a smart person. Hey, it's all good. We learn. I tried Forex. I mean, I've only paper traded it, but it happens. Forex is fun. Forex is cool. I don't like that style of trading. Like you said, you like Robinhood. Yeah, I think Square is going to pump too. I'm excited. I think we made a good call for anybody who entered. I just paid too much on my first one. Oh my gosh. You guys know if I would have waited, I would actually be at my $100 right now. If I would have waited and didn't enter so early. Timing these things kills me. It's so difficult. It's so difficult. You're up 56 on the Square. Let's go. That's what I'm saying, bro. Yeah, Poseidon, if you want to enter, man. It's 313 on the call. We're all in right now. So even if you get one, I paid 345 for my first one, way too high. That's my fault. I made a bad move. But then I bought another one at 265, so my average cost is 305. And it's going to pull back a little bit naturally, probably for a little bit, couple minutes. My buddy was playing my song. 150 strike, do you think? That's $20 though. Hey, up 20% AMD. Way better than Forex. I always shoot for, hey, a 20% return. How many contracts do you have? I go for 20% return is my goal in trading. So if I hit 15 to 20 to 25, I'm out of there. I secure my profits. I say, great day, guys. Let's get it tomorrow. And maybe that's where I go wrong sometimes. Maybe that's where I go wrong. But we will see. My laptop's getting a little warm. The thing that sucks, I think my phone is dying quicker than it's charging. I'll keep an eye on that because that might be what's happening, which is bad news. Bad news. So yeah, SPY's hanging out. We're going to see a little bit of a pullback before we see another run. So just remember, guys, because things can't just go up. I wish they could. But like SPY, that chart's great. Even if it pulls back here, did it already? Oh, it was 1 cent away from crossing 338. If you take profits, you never lose. No one went broke off of securing profits. I like that one. A little dip in Square could be a good time to enter. I think we got a little bit more runway out of this. So So keep your eyes peeled. I'm driving here. I'm trading here. Keep your eyes peeled. All right. So yeah, Squares at break even, SPY's at 185. That contract is so close. We break 190, so I'll be looking really good. I'll be down a hundo. That was better. I was down a lot earlier when Square was down. So the market's done the same thing today that it did yesterday. Break even spot. Gosh, it's so hard to know. DPST got a really nice green candle there. Square's looking good. Did I spell that right? Yeah. How's everyone holding up today? Yeah, if you take profits, you never lose. So green candles, so sick. It's 305. So yeah, SQ. Hanging out. See if we can push it above 338. I don't think it's too late to jump on SQ if you hop in now. I think you can ride it up for like a quick $30 to $40 gain today. Armin, it's 305 on the call that we're in, or 308. My average is 305. So I think you could hop in. I think it's, yeah, I'm liking Square today. So just be careful, mindful. SPY's past 338. So I'm no longer stressed out. I can breathe. I can breathe again. I can breathe. Could you imagine buying Square today at 230? Oh my gosh. No. I have August 21st expiration because I'm going to day trade it. But if you don't want to day trade it with me, you could go August 28th. It's a $149 call. That's what it looks like. SQ. Check out my Twitter real quick. I promoted the song. No, the call. Here, I'll show you. So Armin. You go to trade options. Yeah, 149 call, 821 day trade is my plan. And it should cost roughly $308 right now. Or 310 or something, like right around there. Trading's going decent today, Malone. I'm in Square. We're up $10 on it. I was down about 100 earlier. It fell, so I picked up more. Few Aurora cannabis shares, nice. Yeah, I like Aurora. The marijuana industry is pretty fun to trade, I think. I sucked with Aurora though. I bought them a long time ago and lost But I only had like 3 shares and lost like 70% of my investment. So I mean, it was like 20 or 30 bucks. So not horrible. So Square, and then we had SPY, and then it was up a lot and then crashed. So now we're down on that roughly right now at 338. Here's the thing, Malone, I want to tell you. That one legit goes to 1,030 and then dips back to 980. I like that. I like that a lot. No, I agree with you, man. For real. That's like how these things naturally. That's what I like about Square. Yeah, ACB. I'm gonna check ACB too. Yeah, that's what I like about ACB is what I meant to say, not Square. Sorry, so many stocks in my head. That's what it seems like it does, right? It dips, and it has been doing that for about a month. Dips to 980, runs up, you buy the dip, and then swing it. It's amazing. Yeah, here I want to show you something funny though. If we go to Tesla, I think SPY kind of reversing a little bit, doing a little pullback. DPST's up a little bit more from where it was. I want to show you this Tesla, what happened to us in Tesla. So I bought it yesterday. We did really well on the trade. So you can see here. So I bought it for $6.95, right? Right here at 10, was that 10.01? And then I sold it for, go back to Tesla. So I sold it 50 minutes later for 900. So it's 205 in an hour. So I'll probably make a video on that. But I opened this today, man. It was up to 2,200, and I sold it yesterday to protect myself because I don't want to lose my cash. And now it's probably sitting in like the 1,800 range or 15 or who knows. Implied volatility will hurt this. So my mind was blown. I was like, dang. I could have really had some crazy gains. Yeah, where's it at right now? Oh, it's at 1,390. So still would have been nice to hold even at this spot, but wanted to protect myself where I could. This is emails. My buddy's texting me. It's funny about beats. Hope Save comes back up. Vince, oh, what's up, Vince? Thanks for hanging out, my man. James, I'm coming back. Things are a tad better. I hope you enjoyed the shower. Oh, do you give free mail-in rebates? So you gotta you gotta call Elon. Elon will give you your Tesla rebates. Write it. I'll just make more. Yeah, we got the rebates coming in now from Ryan. Man, that's so funny. SPY is looking good. That's recovered. Whew. We got these contracts. This has been oof. When I was sitting at the bottom looking, I was like, I am freaking out. But now we're back up to 338.18. We're not freaking out. SPY's looking better. Square's up. We're up on Square now, up 5%. So thank you, whoever sent all this good news to us and good fortune. 2 contracts, average at 305. Square is looking good. It's at 323, so we're up 6%. SPY's pushing 2. This is great. How are you guys doing? How are your trades doing? I'll send Ryan a link for his rebate. Freerebates.com. eBay rebates. That doc you called, did you get it? Or did you not get it? I can't remember, Pete, if you got Docu or not. I hope I didn't talk you out of it. If I did, I apologize. I liked it where it was. I think I said buy it right. I said buying it down here looks good, but I didn't really give you like a clear, like, I really, really liked it or didn't. But if you're in it, dude, awesome. That's awesome. Square's at 325. We're just hoping to push them up to the 350s range, and I'd be happy with hopping out there. So we're up 6.5%. Awesome. Okay. I just wanted to make sure I was clear. I had so much going through my mind. Yeah, if you made some profit, that's what we're all about here. Square is pumping us through the ceiling. Let's go. What a great morning to hop into Square. I wish I would have sold SPY and re-entered. We'd be up like probably another 100 to 200 today. My time SPY bad, and now we're pretty close to break even. So we'll ride it out. Come on, Square, push for us. We're back in the profit zone. Even if it pulls back a little, I'm okay with that. You're hesitating on Square still, Poseidon? I paid $345 for my first contract because that's how confident I was. I thought they were going to get to 4. They're $350 right now. Damn. We're up 15%. Got to put that in the Discord. Run up the racks, I'm getting it. Run up the rack. I'm just going to keep running this up. I know I said it's $100, but I want to run this up because we're going to run up the racks and then hold SPY. And I got to be confident holding SPY. Okay, you paid $355. Oh, whew, we're glad you're back, Grayson. You're up good, Skylar. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm liking Square here. Grayson, I'm happy that it's back for you. You must have really been getting hurt a little bit ago. I bought too high initially, too. I thought I was really bullish on it. Run up the racks and run up the racks and getting it. We got you, bro. Hoping you can get that little bag. Let's run it up. Well, that's not as bad. Just broke even. Perfect. Let's keep it going. Square's looking good. Did you end up selling it when you said you broke even, or are you still holding? SPY at 2, still hanging out. I wonder if things are going to slow down. Tesla's tanking again. We got in and out. Glad we did. Other places, nays. Hey. Baby, I got your money. Don't you worry. All right, so I'm going to get that song stuck in your guys' head. Okay, you're holding. Yeah, we'll hold for a bit. secure profits on SQ. It's at 15%. Or at least some are. My Cash App reads out what stocks are doing a few seconds before Robinhood. Robinhood's a little delayed. At least their pricing isn't delayed either. Yeah, it's like seconds, right? So their contracts are still like as if it was 5 seconds ago. But yeah, Robinhood's always been that way. Vanguard has the best updating, and so does Cash App, from what I've heard. SPY's still climbing. Whew. Just like last Tuesday, dug us out of a hole. I could have made money if I timed better. But man, I'll take chunking my losses away. That was crazy. Was crazy. Welcome. If you guys are new here, don't forget to leave. Yep, that makes sense. There's Miguel. Leave a like on the stream. Don't forget to join the Discord. Leave a sub on the channel. I'll be live for like 15 more minutes, and I'm kind of getting really hungry. I was going to try to push it till 12, but I may do that tomorrow. SQ's looking good, and SPY's looking good, or better. It's at 208. So you guys know that 211 was where we entered. So, oh my gosh, my life has just flashed before my eyes. When you saw, I was down and I was like, oh, how do you check to see how much you would be if you would have kept on Tesla? Oh, I just remember. So what I do is you go to Tesla and you go down to down here. See that history? It tells you what you paid, and then you can go and look live and see what the contract's doing right now. So that's what I do. SPY's looking good. Square's looking real good. SPY's looking good. Thank you guys for hanging out in the live stream, though. I mean, 21 likes. I don't even think I liked it yet. Uh-oh. Usually I do first. I didn't. Uh-oh. All right, had to do it. Hey, 860 subs. You guys are blowing my brain. That's awesome. Blowing my absolute mind, guys. Thank you so much. Do you think I should hop on Square at 152.50 strike? I would try to get in the money so that you can follow that. But it's already ran up a ton. It's at 360 now. So it's at like 305. So we're up 18% right now. You got 5 on it. So Poseidon, I would try to profit on Square, but big loss in Oracle. Oracle's scary. I don't like the hype stuff. Any hype news, you guys know I stay away from it. It's too scary. It looks like it'll go up forever, and then you get in, and you're like, aw, hurting. So we're gonna watch Square for a little bit, but I'm getting ready. I'll secure profits in a minute. Well, not like a minute exactly, but just down the road. Because we're up 18%, so I'm trying to secure and then focus all my energy on SPY. Might average my cost down again so that if we make another run on SPY today, I have more profit coming in. It's just a lot locked up. So you're hurting bad on Oracle. You waited too long. Okay, I respect that. I respect that, Poseidon. It's all right. It happens, man. It's hard to know when to enter stuff. Even Tesla's hard. I can't. Tesla's like, I'm glad I did not enter Tesla today. That saved me so much stress. You guys don't even know. AMD's looking better. That could be a good entry, Poseidon. If you want to jump into AMD, I think you got a little bit of running room there. I mean, it's going to be a slower mover, but I like AMD. I just don't have the funds because I'm playing with Square and focusing on my SPY efforts. Yeah, take the loss and balance it with Square. That's my plan for you too. When does your Oracle expire? Right now. At what point are you 100 up? When Square hits 314 plus that 355, I'm spot on because I bought at 305. So this is my position right now. I'm up 86. It expires Friday. Okay, I see. Yeah, you can always send me a screenshot in the Discord too. I'll take a look at it and say like, hey, it might be a good idea to cut your losses. But I don't know exactly the best move. I've honestly never heard of Oracle until yesterday. So even if I was like, yeah, this chart looks weird, and then they skyrocket, you're up 8. Okay, that's not bad. We will take it in here. We'll take it all day. All day. We just got to be patient. If stuff pulls back, hold it through the pullback. And wow, Berkshire B. That's a green candle if I've ever seen one. So that means SPY is going to go up inevitably, which it did. Berkshire B is one of the big holdings in SPY too. So, and they hold Apple. So that's why literally Apple's like double dipping in SPY. It's awesome. Well, if Apple does good, it's awesome. But I think we'll get some more run. I like Squares looking mighty fine. I'm probably going to secure my profits the next little run up we get. Although it did run pretty far yesterday. We just got to see how strong SPY is and how confident people are. But I know a lot of things slow down. So I could always sell one, hold one. SPY's looking good or better. It'll be looking good to me when SPY's to like 220 something. Then you guys will know I'm like doing the money dance. But man, if I could have capitalized on purchasing in the 160s range on this, oh, we'd be all just doing the money dance right now. These must be really happy. Yeah, it helps the watch time. Like it's so awesome. It's really so awesome. Malone, it's made the channel just the algorithm picks stuff up more now. And I think the average I get like 80 hours per stream. Yesterday was only 36, but I didn't stream for long. But when I do 3 hours, it's like 80 watch hours. And it depends on how many people are in and out. But consistently with like 18 viewers today helps a ton for the channel. Helps a ton, dude. But yeah, I love it. It's really helping. It's just fun to watch the market too. Yeah, it's super solid. I'm, and pushing 1,000 subs is also another one of my goals. That it's just it feels surreal, like 140 away. Oh, it's awesome. From the live streams and the YouTube algorithm. We're up 100 on Square right now, holding steady, patient, hoping we can see this a little bit further ahead. But man, if Square took off and we got to 151, guys, and this contract with this delta of 57, oh, over $4, I'd be like, see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go do the money dance for 3 hours in the road. I'll be back. So that's we got one more skew. That's what I'm thinking. I think we got another Square run coming. Get in and out those day trades, and honestly, you could get out of one and hold the other contract. You'll get there quick, man. Definitely throw you a shout out on one of my future bets. Dude, I appreciate that, Malone, for real. I appreciate it. You guys should go check out Malone's channel too. Malone Money Mindset is amazing. Definitely go check him out. I love his stuff. I've been watching him for like over a year, to where I stop in to check out a video at least like once a week, depending on when his uploads and what my schedule is. But seriously, like, he got me onto DraftKings money, but he got me onto it. So like, for real, go check him out. He's one of the GOATs on YouTube. For real. Like, in the finance community, oh yeah, hands down. He's everywhere. So it's crazy. But yeah, Square 348. Digging it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it, digging it. Yeah. So I hope you guys are having a good. Yeah, I think we got one more run at least too. Square's looking good. It's looking strong. And we got to give it till noon, right? It seems to, yeah, right around noon for Square, it pops off. Spy's popping off. Spy is pop. It's so crazy. I was in the hole and now I'm not. Like, all the gains that I missed out on because I had my funds locked up. Like, if I sold Spy this morning and I just had all my money sitting there dropping and then rising, it's like, oh, if I just knew when to get in and out, I'd be looking good. Yeah, I think you got a good. Have you ever heard of FUV? FUV. FUB does not come up. Oh, Arsamoto? Oh, it does come up. Jeez, I've never heard of this stock. What are they? Oh, one day I'll trade them. Yeah, I'm hoping Facebook shoots up. Square's hanging at the 350 spot. SPY's at 202, so pulling back, which I kind of expected, but I think we'll see a little Square run. I hope Facebook runs today. I hope we get Facebook up over 261, get a little push from them. So they're based out of my hometown. Okay, I respect it. Skylar, I'll check them out. Arsamoto used to have some. It's up 250% in 3 months, dude. What kind of, that's awesome. Ben quoted my song that I dropped last night. Every bad day got a silver lining. That's my favorite line in the whole song, Ben. So appreciate that, man. Bought at 588, and it's been one of my better plays. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, that's definitely a bag. That's a bag. What would that be? That's a 41% return, Skylar. My 41, 42%er. So we'll check it out. A little risque. Feeling a little risque. Uber's probably not a day trade, but it should go up, and yeah, it doesn't usually move sideways. I don't know. I don't watch Uber. Only bought 100 shares, but still solid. Wish every bad day had a SLV lining. Then it wouldn't be such a bad day. Silver. Yeah, that's the only silver I talk about, silver linings. We don't trade silver here. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, dude, I would back for you, SLV. I just wish tech had more oomph in it right now. It's almost there. It's like all the money's coming out of Tesla. They need to move it into an oomfer. Oh, BRKB, I missed that train today. Man, I bet those contracts are up $100 for the weeklies. Yep, 100% on a couple of them. The other ones are like 70. I don't do much trading on Uber. Yep, same thing. Uber, and I don't hold Uber, but I'm curious. I really like Uber. I like Uber a lot. I just don't hold them. I just don't understand them as much yet. I need to do more research on them. But I like them because they IPO'd last year, correct? I think yeah. Yeah, they IPO'd big. It was right around 40, and then they've kind of fallen. But I think, yeah, if you're going long term, Uber, it's awesome. Very good stock. Square's pulling back a little, but we're still up 10%. So we're going to hold. It did well at the end of the day. SPY's kind of flat, so no worries. Yeah, were you in the Wall Street Bet channel? Yeah, dude, that's not the place. I've never actually spent time there because I've watched a couple YouTube videos about Wall Street Bets, and I've just laughed the whole time. Like, those people are literally like psychopathic YOLO folks when it comes to trading. And yeah, there's some crazy plays, but I swear more people lose money than make money in that group. But yeah, it's toxic, man. It is so, talk about emotional. That's what emotional trading is Wall Street Bets. That's straight emotional trading. Yeah, I really like Uber long term. My friends and I use all the time. Probably because we do too much drinking. Hey, you gotta have fun sometimes, right? Ubers are great, man. I use Uber for everything when I travel. Like when I went to San Francisco, I Ubered everywhere. So I love Ubers, especially in California. It's awesome. Nah, you gotta have fun sometimes, Malone. Go out drinking, buy some Uber so that you feel good every time you pay your Uber driver. Like, hey, thanks for picking me up. This goes back to me and my stock later. Yeah, Uber, I like them. Stocks are just fun, man. That I love stock too when you own a company. Like one of my buddies was telling me that he was gonna buy or that he switched his phone bill to AT&T, and like in my head, I just went secured. I was like, yes, that means I was like, this is so good. This is so good for AT&T. So like I always try to, I don't know, and I don't even have AT&T, but I try to convince all my friends. I'm like, oh, you're switching your plan. You should look into AT&T because I own stock in them. It's so funny. Yeah, they've been quietly acquiring a bunch of companies. I know. Isn't that cool? They're in foods. Yeah, their Uber Eats, bro, is one of the coolest game-changing things. Like I think out there. Okay, Square's down a little more. Not bad. Square pulled back a little. SPY, Square and SPY pulled back a little. SQ and SPY pulled back a little. Supernatural movement. Natural me though. I mean, it ran up and it's right around where it was earlier, around 10:40 or so. So I mean, even if it falls a little bit more, it's still looking good in general. Just like SPY. I mean, SPY got up to what just a second ago, 208, and now it's down to 203, just trading sideways. I mean, it's natural movement. We just got know. But man, oh man, Berkshire B, baby, that thing's crazy. I'm curious to see how SPY is going to move the rest of the day now that it's recovered. I might have to swing. What do you think about possible DOCU? Yeah, DOCU's good. I like it right here at this price. I mean, the time of the day because of their volume might be a little weird, but maybe not. I could be wrong. But I like DOCU. I really like DOCU. Square's down a little bit more. It's at 149.55. Yeah, I think we got some more fight coming out of these tech companies. So SPY should start rising. Apple started to reverse. Facebook's about to go green for the day. So we got a little pullback. The natural happens. Ford's hurting me. I can't wait to sell all my Ford. I hope the Bronco does well for Ford. And so I can sell as well for Ford. And so I can sell my shares and not lose. But I'm only down like 200, if that. What am I down? Yeah, 221 on Ford, 221 bucks, and it's a long-term hold. If I would have put this into Tesla a year ago, it'd be worth 10K, and now instead I bought Ford, and it's actually down. So that's one of my worst investing was dividend investing for Ford and missing out on Tesla's gains. But at the time, I was all about the passive income dividend thing, but should have, like Tesla was a way better move looking back. But now that I'm into options, my plays are way better than they've ever been. So I don't know. I just got to be thankful for that, you know. Maybe I would have never gotten to options if, you know, who knows? If I would have made money on Tesla, maybe I'd just be like, oh, only long term, like Mr. Buffett said. Who knows? We will. I don't know. But I'm gonna end the stream here. It's noon. Thank you, Owen, Poseidon, Skylar, Malone. Let me scroll up. Grayson, Blake, Lynn was here. Lexus VIP 400, Miguel, Pete, Vince, James, Armin. Amazing. This is amazing. Your guys' support. Nothing makes me happier than waking up and you guys coming to the stream. You guys gotta realize that, right? It's like all my friends. Brian, Lena, Nathan was here. Ryan was here for his rebate. Ben was here. Thank you, Ben Brown, so much for hanging out. Jose was here for a bit. Yo, Tango Cat was here. Vaughn, I already shouted out Lynn. Scrolling up. Tim, thank you, Timmy. Doyle was here. Appreciate the support, guys, for real. Josh was here. Mr. Murphy. Mr. Murphy. Later, bro. Thanks. All right, so I'm gonna have to go back to work. Watch this live later. Got hung up at work today. Hey, it's all good, man. It happens, Josh. Yeah, but you got it, Blake. Hope I could help you. I got you, bro. Later, bro. Fun chilling. Thanks, Malone. Catch you tomorrow, G. I will be here, Skylar. Good stream. Maybe I'll hop in Square and quit being a baby. It's all good, Poseidon. Take your time. Don't, if you're feeling like you're chasing something, hey, just keep your head up. Be patient. Still in the AMD. I'll post my profits later. I like that. That's one of my favorite emojis. I like that. That's confidence. But yeah, hey, Poseidon, just do your thing, man. Have a great day. You have a good day as well, VIP for Hundo. I'm excited. I'll hear from you guys in the Discord, but I got to make some food. I got some videos to film. I got stuff to do today, and I love trading. Let's hope that, I mean, Square's pumping for us. We're up 8%. 8%, guys. Let's go. Let's try to get this bag for today. I think we're making some good calls. So be patient. Have a great day, guys. I'm excited to hear from you. I will see you guys soon. Yeah, music to record too. Yeah, I'll send you guys that link too. I got music to record today. That's true. All right. See you guys.